everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacino. Looking at the daily chart right now, Virgin Galactic, no news today, just a ton of call buying pushing the stock higher again. You get the gamma push higher. We're seeing that in a lot of stocks now where tons of call options go off and the stock just starts rallying. So if you want to look up that, you can look up it's a gamma play, option gamma play. You can research about that. I used to be an options market maker years ago. So it looks, I mean, that's a huge bar. It's up, 15.9% in a day. Just to keep it in perspective, we're still not above the major. This is where we sold off. Vertical up, vertical down. We hit a shelf right here, and we're still not back to that level. So, and by the way, how I got these levels, here's the 4-hour chart. There's no pausing bar. Had to go to 1 hour. So 1 hour run up, here's the pausing bar, rotating back up. So let's look at the major support though. I mean, the major support is all the way back down here at about 1750. So we had this little support ledge and the 37.5% retracement and the rising rotation zone. So far and fast this went off the 1 hour. If you want the 1 hour levels, I'll be watching around this 1883 area with the rising rotation zone. If we did fall below that, I'm back at that 4-hour level for that 37.5%. If this is a false breakout to the upside, if we get above today's high, 1996, 2036, that's that significant area, then 2059. So 2036 to 2059 is the next major target up. That's really about it. I mean, you can see here, back to the daily chart. Let me get it in perspective again, that there's a major resistance area right up here. So 2023 to 2059 is going to be some major resistance. If we do get above there, what I would start doing is targeting the gap fills. So let me come back here. So we still have this gap, and you can look these up. The next target based off that gap would be about 2167. And then if you really take off and we get up here again, the next major gap fill would be all the way to 2875. But before you do that, I'd start doing the GAN projections. You can also do your projections from this whole corrective move from there to this high. So if you want levels, if it gets above 2153, let's try to get this chart back in perspective. 2153, you can look at 2309 and 2465 as key target levels. But remember, major resistance just right overhead. So we have for you on Virgin Galactic, SPCE. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.